Ever sit down to journal and feel completely stuck? Today, we're breaking through those mental blocks with simple handwriting exercises that will help you get your thoughts flowing. I'm Alicia, and welcome to Pin Your Purpose. Let's dive in. Whether you're sitting in your office, at a cafe, or at home, those mental blocks can hit hard. You sit down to write, ready to get your thoughts out, but nothing comes. Or maybe you're so overwhelmed with too many thoughts, you don't know where to begin. These blocks can make journaling feel frustrating, especially when you're worried about getting it just right. But here's the thing. Journaling isn't about perfection. It's about processing. These blocks might hold you back from the benefits of journaling, like mental clarity and stress relief. But today, I'm going to share some simple exercises to help you break through. If you don't break through these mental blocks, you're missing out on so many benefits. Regular journaling boosts creativity, helps you process emotions, and improves problem-solving skills. In fact, research from Dr. James Pennebaker, a leading expert in expressive writing, shows that just 15 to 20 minutes of journaling can significantly reduce stress and improve overall well-being. But when these blocks hold us back, we lose out on all of that. Now, let's explore some simple handwriting exercises that will help you break through those mental blocks and start writing freely. Simple prompts. Sometimes all you need is a little nudge to get started. Let's try this prompt together. What's a moment from this week that made me feel connected to others? This helps you reflect on positive interactions and builds emotional awareness. Simple prompts like this make it easier to ease into your journaling. Writing in short bursts. This technique is great if you're stuck. Set a timer for just 3 to 5 minutes and write continuously. Don't overthink it. Just get your thoughts onto the page. When the timer goes off, you can stop, or if you feel in the flow, keep going. Short bursts of writing take the pressure off perfection and help get past that initial block. Freewriting. Freewriting is all about letting your thoughts flow without worrying about structure or grammar. It doesn't have to be pretty. Just get it out. Think of it like dumping everything in your brain onto the page. The goal is to clear your mental clutter and let your thoughts flow naturally. Mind mapping. For visual thinkers, mind mapping is a powerful tool. Start with a central idea. Maybe it's something on your mind, and then branch out with related thoughts. This method helps you see connections between your ideas, making it easier to break through blocks and organize your thoughts. Let's quickly recap these 4 powerful exercises. Simple prompts to ease into writing, writing in short bursts to overcome perfectionism, free writing to clear mental clutter, mind mapping for visual thinkers. Remember, the goal is to get your thoughts flowing, not to create a masterpiece. Embrace the messiness. It's part of the process. I remember when I was stuck in a mental block, trying to journal consistently. I felt overwhelmed by perfectionism and the need to get it right. That's when I started using the writing in short bursts technique. I set a timer for 3 minutes, and suddenly the pressure lifted. It was a game changer for me. and it made journaling feel fun again. Now, it's your turn. Have you ever tried exercises like these before? Pause the video, grab your journal, and give one a try. Which one worked best for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'll be there to respond and help you along the way. I've had a lot of you ask, what if I can't read my handwriting? Don't worry about it. The goal is to get your thoughts out, not create something perfect. Remember, your journal is for you, and it doesn't need to be polished. Dr. James Pennebaker's research shows that even messy, expressive writing can have incredible benefits, so don't let your handwriting hold you back. Now it's time to take action. For the next week, I challenge you to try one of these exercises for at least 5 minutes each day. Then come back and share your experience in the comments. Let's create a supportive community where we can help each other push through these mental blocks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might be struggling with mental blocks. And don't forget to subscribe for more journaling tips and mindfulness practices. In our next video, we're exploring how to handwrite your way to inner calm. Now that you've learned how to overcome mental blocks, you'll be ready to dive deeper into how journaling can help manage stress and boost self-awareness. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.